ఏడుకుంటలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద ఆపద ముక్కులవాడ నాథరక్షక గోవింద గోవింద.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. This video is an English video about Kalyanakatta. I already posted a Tamil video on this same topic. So Kalyanakatta is nothing but a place where people tonsure their head and donate their hair as an offering to Srinivasa, to Lord Srinivasa. So the hair that is collected at Kalyanakatta, it is actually auctioned, and the money that comes out of the auction is actually utilized for some festival or some specific expenses in a festival. For example, it may be Brahmotsavam. In one particular year, they actually utilize the money for offering milk to infants during Brahmotsavam festivals and all. So what is actually the history behind this Kalyanakatta? Many years ago, when Venkateshwara Swami, when Srinivasa Swami was doing penance in an ant hill, a cow came to offer milk daily to Lord Srinivasa because he was hungry, and a cow automatically it offered some milk. The shepherd who actually owned the cow, he was surprised that every day there was no milk. The cow could not produce any milk for his purpose. So one day the shepherd, he followed the cow, and he found the cow offering milk to Lord Venkateshwara in the ant hill. The shepherd got very angry. He threw his axe with an aim to hurt the cow, with the aim to actually cut the head off of the cow. But Lord Venkateshwara, he covered the cow, he protected the cow, and unfortunately a portion of his hair got speared. So that portion actually became bald. In another instance, Venkateshwara, he was actually resting in Neeladri hills, and Neela Devi, the Gandharva princess, she was admiring the beauty of Venkateshwara Swami as he was resting in the Neeladri hills, and she found a portion of his hair missing. She found hair bald, and immediately she took her hair, a portion of her hair, and transplanted it to Venkateshwara Swami so that the bald area will be covered. And when Venkateshwara Swami, he woke up and saw blood oozing out of Neela Devi's head, and he saw hair being transplanted to his bald portion, he immediately offered to return the hair that Neela Devi actually offered him. But Neela Devi refused and said, over the years in future, people will be offering hair to you. All that hair belongs to me. So this is the history behind the first transplantation that ever happened, hair transplantation that ever happened. This happened by Neela Devi. So I already told you, the hair that is being donated to Lord Venkateshwara in Tirumala is being auctioned, and how they actually do. There are a lot of mini Kalyanakattas. If you see, there will be Rang Bagicha, Varaha Swami guest house, Narayanagiri rest house, Panchajanyam. There are a lot of mini Kalyanakattas, and hair is collected from all the mini Kalyanakattas, and it is then transported to a warehouse, to a godown. It is stored inside the godown, and it is being processed. It is cleaned in high pressure and low pressure, and it is processed, and it is categorized according to the texture and according to the length, and it is categorized grade wise. So the greater the texture and the greater the length, it is categorized as grade 1, grade 2. So totally there are 6 grades, and it is auctioned month after month, and the money that comes out of the auction is actually spent on specific expenses, probably a Brahmotsavam or kind of festivals. So one particular year 11 crore of money that came out of the auctioned hair. It was used to feed infants in Tirumala. So this is a great thing that is happening. People actually, they surrender themselves before the Lord in case you are offering hair to Venkateshwara, because hair adds beauty to anybody. So people who surrender their beauty, they surrender themselves to Lord Venkateshwara by offering their hair. So this is the history behind Kalyanakatta. So next time when you are offering hair to Lord Venkateshwara, or when you are tonsuring your hair, it means that you are offering for some good cause. So of course people are not allowed to enter Kalyanakatta, go down and other things, but there are a lot of people who are working. There are a lot of workers who are behind all this, the processing, the cleaning and everything. And there are a lot of tonsurers, many skilled and unskilled laborers, and Kalyanakatta is done totally free of cost. So this is all about Kalyanakatta. I hope my information is useful to you all. Thank you for watching my channel. Om Namo Venkatesaya. Thank you.